Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in Docusign in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Docusign or looking to streamline your document workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to prepare and manage your documents efficiently. First, open your web browser and visit the Docusign website, the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once on the homepage, locate and click the login button, then enter your account credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network when accessing sensitive information. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Docusign homepage, your hub for managing and sending documents. To add fields, start by selecting a template. Templates in Docusign are predefined formats that streamline document preparation, especially helpful if you send similar documents repeatedly. Once you've chosen a template, enter the necessary details, such as names, email addresses, and any other essential data. Accurate entry here ensures that the next steps proceed smoothly and error-free. Next, click Next to move to the Fields Customization section. Custom fields define where recipients need to input information, such as initials, signatures, dates, or other specific data. Click on Standard Fields, where Docusign provides a selection of basic fields like signature, date signed, and other necessary elements. Drag and drop the desired fields onto your document, positioning them where recipients are expected to interact. As you add fields, pay attention to the flow and readability of your document. Make sure fields are appropriately aligned and spaced so recipients can easily follow and complete the document. This improves the signing process and reduces errors. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different field options available in Docusign to best suit your needs. Once all fields are added and positioned, your document is ready for review and finalization. By following these steps, you'll enhance your efficiency in managing documents and agreements. With practice, this process will become second nature, letting you fully benefit from Docusign's robust platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks. Happy signing.